pan-fried scallops.
The garlic butter.
Hey,
Konnichiwa!
I'm Taran.
And I'm Makoto.
Together we've been travelling the world for the last few years.
We've lived in Japan, Southeast Asia, New Zealand, Australia, America, and most recently, Fiji.
But now we found ourselves in the UK with a 30-year-old motorhome.
So join us as we document the ups and downs of full-time van life.
Here on No Matter How Far. Woo. Good evening, everyone.
We went to the place called the Old Man... Where was it? The Old Man of the Store.
Something like that. It's actually just over there. And so that is the end of our week with my friend Tristan and his partner Natalie. They've just gone back. They're driving to Edinburgh at the moment, but we've decided to stay on the Isle of Skye as we quite like it.
Quite relaxing.
Speaking of relaxing, we are just pulled over on the side of the road at the moment, and apart from it being a really nice sunny day and looking amazing, what is this? We're right by a stream. That is going to be really relaxing at night time. But yeah, we're pretty much just deciding to stay here for a week.
I think so, yeah.
Another week maybe, and then we'll start looking at leaving the country in the motorhome.
The Scotland is really nice for motorhomes.
Yeah, it's been pretty good so far.
You can just park up almost anywhere. Almost. And yeah, you don't need to pay, and you can just start a fire as well.
They have right to roam. People have right to roam in Scotland, so you can technically walk over people's land, I think, and start a fire most places as long as you leave no trace, which is very nice. Much better than England or Wales, where you're not allowed to do those things.
It's more freedom.
Yeah. We're gonna go explore and just live on Skye for a week, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe.
Good morning!
Good morning, everybody. How's it going? We're in the sunny Isle of Skye at the moment. As you can see, it's lovely here. We're on a summer vacation. The sun is shining. The weather is hot. And we are loving life. Oh, we have to step over big gaps at the moment.
We're just like a cows or sheep.
Yes. Oh, fuck.
Struggles.
Almost slipped then. Actually, no, I lied. It's pouring down with rain and it's quite cold. And I don't have any welly boots. So this is the only option for me. But it's still pretty nice here though. We're in the middle of nowhere. And we just found a little campsite which has power and water. It's mildly cheap. So we thought we'd just stay here for a few days. So many cars. It's not that quiet here actually.
We are actually quite close to the famous fairy pools.
Oh yeah, we're very close to the fairy pools. Fairy pools.
That's one of the most popular sightseeing place in Isle of Skye. So we're looking forward to visit there.
There's just little waterfalls everywhere around here.
It's so nice.
Yeah, we're hoping to go to the fairy pools maybe tomorrow if the weather is a bit better. as it's only about an hour walk from here. But now we just decided we've had enough of being sat inside the motorhome in the rain. We thought we'd just go for a walk in the rain down to a local shop, which I think is down here somewhere. We'll see. Anyway, this tiny little village place we're at is pretty quiet and a little bit sad, actually. It's very dead, but it has a interesting feel to it. Like what kind of feel does it have to it? Makoto, what do you think about this tiny little village?
It looks really nice. It's a bit deserted feeling.
Yeah.
It's still kind of quiet and kind of away from all the crazy tourist area.
Yeah, so many cars.
Even though there are lots of cars, I think they're locals.
Yeah, this is like, I guess this is the only road. There's only a few roads on the Isle of Skye, and this is the one to get to this side of the island, so there's actually quite a lot of cars. Whoa, go jump in that puddle.
Nice area.
Go jump in the puddle. Such a big heat.
It's quite nice.
Yeah. Woo! Oh, it's not as cold as Lake District. When we went in the water there, it's not as cold actually. It actually is pretty cold now. Oh yeah. But what a view, eh? Not that you can see it much because it's so cloudy. Normally it's quite nice. It's proper old school. We've just come to the oyster shed. Apparently it's quite popular in this little area. The one thing, actually there's two things in this village. Now we've come down to the village, it's actually pretty busy.
Yeah. So the one we went to a nice little cafe. And the other thing, we just had a tiny bit of a look at the...
Oh yeah, the Talisker whiskey distillery.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. Whiskey cake. Actually, that might not be too bad, to be fair. Haggis and tatties. What's that say? Haggis, neeps and tatties.
What's tatties?
They even do vegetarian haggis. Makoto has bought
Scallops.
pan-fried scallops.
With garlic butter.
Yeah, good. I don't eat fish, but...
It's really, really thick. Look at that. Oh.
That's mine. That's my dinner.
I think it's quite nice with a £10 for this.
Oh yeah, £10 for scallops and chips.
Nice.
Is it very fresh? While we were eating food, the rain cleared up. And now it's really nice. Makoto's just brought me to Kilt Rock, apparently a really good waterfall, and it is so windy today. Makoto's almost been blown away. I'm sure you can hear it. And the van is like shaking so much. We're back in the caravan. I mean, I don't know. We've finished today's activities. It's the end of the day. We went to, where did we go? What was the waterfall called?
Kilt Rock.
Kilt Rock. We went to Kilt Rock, and it was unbelievably windy. I'm sure you saw the clips earlier. It felt like there was a typhoon or something coming. The wind was insane, and we were going to stay there for the night in the car park, but the van was like shaking, not because of us, but shaking so much that I just didn't feel comfortable. So we drove down to this nice little place. We're actually right by the ocean right now. If you can, I mean, it's pouring down with rain.
Apparently you can see otters,
Yeah.
or seals. We are lucky.
There we go. This place is much nicer. And there's little lambs walking around everywhere. But yeah, we're just gonna have some dinner. We've just had some of the cheese that we bought yesterday, the mustard cheddar. It was it is amazing. What do you think we're gonna do? That's a good reaction.
It's so creamy.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. Where is it? We got a picture of it. Laird's mustard. It was amazing.
You can buy it at the oyster shed in, where was that? Talis.
The place where I can't remember the name. Anyway, we got our dinner cooking. We've got some vegan Scotch pies. Don't know what to expect. Some bread and some amazing cheese. Hope you enjoyed exploring a little bit of Skye, the Isle of Skye with us, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe and watch the next video. Bye bye!
Bye!